Mustang Coupe.
1971. It's been,
71?
yes.
Wow, 71 Toyota Land Cruiser. That's a new one on me. I know all you guys that are fans of Toyota Land Cruisers like, what? How could
Bill,
you not
have a
know about
look
it?
inside here. Just look.
Eventually you're gonna call me Will, but you know, it's okay to call me Bill. Maybe I'll just go by Bill today, never mind. Look at that. Trying to get better lighting for you guys. Is that better? That is cool. That is very cool.
The paint job on this vehicle is just phenomenal, right?
Oh, they even did the paint job on the jack.
On the jack.
Look at the jack.
You know, every detail, nut and bolt, is redone on this car.
Yeah. That restoration is worth more. This person, in my opinion, is upside down on it, because if they restored this car and they're charging how much again? 34? 54.9. That's about the cost of the restoration, maybe more. So there you go. Get a restored car without the project and enjoy it. And of course, I got to show the Ford Falcons. That's a 64. I just spotted this. I sat there tunnel focused on that Mustang GT Tribute, and here it is. Oh, 65. Okay, 64, 65 is the same body style. I know this car, 23.9, and the reason I know this car is because my first car, and maybe we'll see it here today, I doubt it, it was a 1963 Ford Falcon convertible. Came with a 200 straight six. I put a small block 260 in it, and enjoyed it until she rusted out. I know. What? You let it rust out? I was not into this business in my younger years. But there it is, 65 Falcon. Look like American Spirit rims. And it's still got the same styling as the 63. It brings back memories for me. These things are little time capsules, guys, except for when you put speakers like that in it. But looks like the top's new too. Relatively new. Interesting purple pinstriping they put on the car. And they have purple pinstriping on the hood. Paint's good. When you can see me in the paint, you know the paint's good.